For some first-time wearers, the NATO strap design can seem confusing. Here, we'll show you how quick and simple it is to change your NATO strap. To swap a NATO, pull the long part of the strap out of the keeper so that the two layers are separated. Beginning at the 6 o'clock side of the watch, pull the long end of the strap out of the spring bar. Finish pulling the strap up and out of the watch. With your new NATO, pull the long part of the strap out of the keeper so that the two layers of the strap are separated. Beginning at the 12 o'clock side of the watch, insert the long end of the strap in between the spring bar and the watch case. Continue threading the strap through the other spring bar, then pull it tight. Finish by pulling the strap back through the second layer.